Hi neighbors, my name is Matthew Dobler. I'm one of your Aleppo Township Commissioners. I'm so excited because we had a meeting tonight and it was really a fantastic meeting, and I'm not just saying that. I want to give you a real quick rundown of what happened. We started off with a discussion about the committees. Here are who will be the chairs of the various Aleppo committees. George Jones will chair the Finance Committee. John Seaforth will chair the Public Works Committee. I will be our representative to the Quaker Valley COG. Joanne Scullert will chair the Quaker Valley Ambulance Authority Committee. Rod Gardner will chair the Aleppo Planning and Zoning Committee. Joanne Scullert will chair the Public Safety Committee. And John Seaforth will chair the Aleppo Township Authority. We also added a new committee, which is the Communications Committee, and not surprisingly, I will be chairing that committee. We continued our discussion about the appointment of Harlan Stone as the Township Solicitor and KLH as the Township Engineer. And what we did was we once again deferred a decision on those two appointments pending some more information, and here's what we're doing with respect to that. First of all, next week on the 20th at the legislative meeting, the board is going to have an executive session where we will be updated by our existing attorneys and trial counsel and engineers concerning the status of the lawsuit by Masonic Village against the township. We think that before we make any decision about our solicitor or the engineers, it's prudent for us to find out where that lawsuit stands. We also decided to take preliminary steps forward towards putting out a request for a proposal. And to that end, we formed a task force to write a request for a proposal for an engineering firm and a request for a proposal for a solicitor. Similarly, we decided to defer a decision concerning appointments to the Aleppo Township Authority while we have an opportunity to assess the status of the authority as it stands. There were a couple matters of new business worth discussing. First, several of our residents have expressed concern with respect to environmental issues in Aleppo. Particularly, one resident has expressed concern with pollution coming from Neville Island and particles of dirt settling on her lawn furniture. The consensus of the board, our solicitor, and our township manager is that we don't know what we can do with respect to this issue, but we agreed to investigate what could be done, and we'll be in touch with developments on that front as they develop. Another matter of new business is that a resident has expressed concern with respect to the floodlights being left on at the Aleppo Township pumping station in the Swickley Heights Manor Homeowners Association. Again, we're not sure what can be done about that. We're not sure if that's because of some sort of a regulation, but we agreed to look into that and find out what we could do. I want to wrap up this video by impressing upon you neighbors that those last two matters that we discussed came directly from you. We truly value what you think, and we truly want to help make your life in Aleppo better. So please, reach out to me, reach out to any of the other board members. Let somebody know if there are things that we can help you with. Our meeting today was a healthy conversation with lots of great citizen participation. So I want to thank everybody for being involved, whether you were involved at the meeting tonight or whether you've just sent messages along via email. Thanks very much, and of course, let me know if there's anything we can do.